In this video I'm going to talk about a painting I did today and just try to add some commentary, so we'll see how it goes. I ended up painting over two old paintings I had that I never really finished, so I figured I might as well use those ones. So these ones were my towels actually. I don't know, I liked them, so I painted them. I like the color. Anyway, I started with a portrait, as you can see in the background, and didn't really want to go further with it. So I decided to change to a figure. And that's a sketch, yeah. So I tried to make the sketch first, like in different colors, so it's easier for me to find the position, the composition of the body. And then I started like boldly putting in the color, just to find the space, I guess. It was more about just getting started, just putting color on there, just doing it. So yeah, I ended up using green and red for the shadows at that point. I wasn't really sure about the composition yet of color, like of the palette. So I was still trying to find it. But yeah, in this phase I'm more looking towards just getting started, right? Just doing it. When I saw this empty space of white on the leg, I was like, that looks kind of nice. I don't really want to shade it. So I figured I just use the background color. In that case, I decided to use cyan to fill that space, to still have that feeling of the form that I somehow enjoyed. At this point, I'm looking to put more of an orange, more of a skin tone on the canvas. I found this red that I wanted to use. So I did on the belly button, of course. Trying to put in the shadows. And just keep going, right? Just adding more red to the upper body of the shadow. And eventually, I think we're coming there soon. Yeah, there it is. So I'm making the decision of putting more cyan in that, to have the body more merge with the background, because I really like that part in the bottom. I figured might as well, right? Might as well. So yeah, at this point I'm working on the belly more, because I felt like it had like a spiral feeling to it that I didn't really want. And the head as well, yeah. Trying to add the orange more. Because I wanted to leave the head open as well to the background. But yeah, that's it. That was really fun to paint actually. And I like it. It's a good one. And yeah, I'm fairly new to making videos, so if you have any suggestions, they are more than welcome. Just put them down in the comments. I'll make sure to read all of them. And if you want to stick around while I figure this whole YouTube thing out, make sure to subscribe. Cheers.